Thank you, Ken Feese, for providing the reference photo of contract working dog Diego, Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. Ken had this to say about Diego. Diego was deployed for 2.5 years in Afghanistan and 8 months in Iraq. He was adopted by us in 2015 from Canine Hero Haven. He loves hiking. We did 7 miles the other day. He loves ice cream. He's 8 years old, and he shares the house with 2 other dogs. Diego's play drive is through the roof. We love Diego. He's the greatest dog ever. Stephanie noticed in the pictures he was missing his tail and learned more about Diego's treatment as a contract working dog. Ken knew this of contract working dog Diego's treatment while under contract. His tail was amputated in Iraq. While in Iraq, he had 2 different handlers. The handler that kept him in Afghanistan stayed with Diego 24/7, so he was active and appreciated. The second handler in Iraq only pulled him from the kennel to patrol. As a result of lack of stimulation, Diego got bored and unsheathed his own tail. So to prevent him from causing any further damage, they amputated it. Each canine has their own unique story, and Diego's was one of mistreatment and misunderstanding of his temperament and drive. I admit, like you, I was angered and sad when I read about his mistreatment. But to you I say this: let Diego serve to educate so that we as animal lovers can take action for better treatment of contract working dogs by the companies that own them. Thank you, Ken, for adopting Diego and giving him the retirement he deserves. And CWD Diego, thank you for your service.